I have yet again another USB Virtual 7.1 surround sound headset to show you today. That headset is called the Logitech Pro X.
Perfect.
Got your booklets, a microphone, carrying bag, and there's stuff in here. What do we have? Looks like the volume adjustment cable, audio splitter, and here's a cable that connects to your phone. Here's the USB adapter / sound card, 3.5mm jack to USB. And the headset, wow, this looks like it's a really good quality. It has matte black, no fingerprints on this matte black right here. Has a foam pillowy ear cup. Displays left and right inside the ear cup. It looks like the inside of the headband is made out of metal. Adjusts. Wow. Comes with extra ear cups, different fabric. Not the leather feel, or like a cloth. In my opinion, the look and feel of this headset is so high end, it by far exceeds the price point. This headset sports Blue Voice technology with a 6mm mic going from 100 Hz to 10 kHz. It has Pro G 50mm drivers, Pro tuned EQ profiles, 20 Hz to 20 kHz audio response, DTS headphone 2.0, object-based surround sound technology, and a pro-grade digital processing USB sound card. I thought it was amazing how they were incorporating Blue Voice into the microphone. However, right out of the box, I had to adjust a preset to Broadcaster 1 in order to make my voice sound better, and I also had to adjust a slider for side tone so that every time I spoke into the microphone, I didn't hear my own voice. So here's what my voice sounds like right out of the box through that microphone with both Blue Voice enabled and disabled.
This is the Logitech Pro X gaming headset. This is the Logitech Pro X gaming headset. This is the Logitech Pro X gaming headset with enabling Blue Voice. This is the Logitech Pro X gaming headset enabling Blue Voice.
So here's what the Logitech Pro X looks like with everything plugged in. This is an amazing looking headset. The headband on the top is leather. It's stitched on the edges. It's got the Pro symbol. On the inside there's padding of the headband. The headset is fully adjustable with metal. The matte black and chrome, literally you could touch the chrome and there's no fingerprints. Even the matte black, there's no fingerprints. There's no way to put fingerprints on this headset. So if something like that bothers you, highly consider this headset. The ear cups have a pillowy type feel with a soft memory foam. And they're actually labeled on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a L for left and there's a R for right. The microphone is detachable, as well as the cable that goes to the headset itself because it comes with other cables. Here's what the USB adapter looks like. It just plugs straight into the computer. There's no adjustments or anything on here because this is basically going to be plugged into the back of your computer or into the front of your computer and just, just sitting there. Volume adjustment is right here. This is where you can enable and disable the microphone, as well as a clip here. You can clip it to your shirt.
The sound quality of this headset was amazing. Even though I was using the Virtual 7.1 surround sound USB adapter, the sounds were clear and precise, professional, and even realistic in-game. However, the Virtual 7.1 surround sound USB adapter only works with PC. It does not work with Xbox or PlayStation 4. The 3.5mm jack can be used with the Xbox and PlayStation 4, but that only supports 2-channel audio. Can you do me a favor and follow me on Instagram and Twitter? Also, like this video if you liked it, and consider subscribing because the past 3 videos have all been virtual 7.1 surround sound USB headsets. In the next video, I'm going to be comparing all 3 of them.